Long ago, in the desert of Arabia, there was a small village where a kind and honest man, Haris, lived with his wife and son. Haris was poor, but his heart was full of remembrance of Allah. He worked hard as a laborer during the day and taught his son Umar about Islam at night. One day, a caravan of wealthy traders arrived in the village. They were on their way to Mecca but had a valuable trust that needed to be kept safely. Haris was known far and wide for his honesty, so they entrusted him with it, saying, "We will take it back when we return." A few weeks later, a greedy merchant named Abu Tamim came to the village. He learned that Haris was keeping a valuable trust. He tried to tempt Haris by saying, "If you give me that trust, I will reward you with gold." But Haris replied, "I have been entrusted with it in the name of Allah. I cannot betray that trust." Abu Tamim became furious. He went to the village chief and falsely accused Haris of stealing the trust. Haris was arrested and brought before the people. The chief asked, "Did you betray the trust?" Haris replied, "Allah is my witness. I have never taken anything that does not belong to me." At that moment, by the will of Allah, the same caravan returned. The traders confirmed that the trust belonged to them and that Haris had kept it safe without any dishonesty. Hearing this, the villagers realized Haris' innocence. Abu Tamim was exposed as a liar and was expelled from the village. The villager chief declared a true believer is one who fears Allah and never abandons honesty. Allah rewarded Haris for his honesty. The trader, grateful for his sincerity, offered him gold and camels as a gift. But Haris said, "I seek Allah's pleasure more than worldly wealth." The trader was deeply moved and said, "I have never seen such a truthful person. I want you to come with me to Mecca and start your own business." Thus, Haris and his family moved to Mecca, where they found endless blessings. Umar, having learned honesty and righteousness from his father, grew up to be a true preacher of Islam. This story teaches us that when we place our trust in Allah and never abandon honesty, He opens doors of blessing and success for us. Indeed, Allah is with those who are truthful and righteous.